Tezos value expectation is one of the most famous hunt terms since XTZ unleashed devastation among crypto bears over the most recent few months. Before we jump into the stray pieces of this Tezos cost expectation, we should rapidly check what's genuinely going on with XTZ. You can purchase, exchange, and stake Tezos on many trades, including the main stages like eToro, Sex.io, Coinbase, and Binance. Tezos introduction. Tezos is a novel blockchain, another Ethereum executioner that was first proposed in a paper delivered in August 2014 with additional particulars declared in a white paper delivered in Sept. 2014. The Tezos blockchain is planned with an emphasis on chain administration, permitting token holders to decide in favor of proposed changes to usefulness to try not to fork the organization. In 2015, the organizers, Kathleen and Arthur Breitman, laid out an organization called Dynamic Record Arrangements, which was liable for composing the underlying code for Tezos. At the center of this codebase is a self-correcting convention, a framework to formalize proposing, deciding in favor of, and carrying out changes to the usefulness of the organization. When a proposition has been made, holders of Tezos tokens can cast a ballot with a weighting of 1 vote for each token. Tezos blockchain utilizes a changed variant of a designated evidence of stake framework where stakers, called bread cooks inside the organization, can secure their tokens in return for the capacity to approve blocks. In Tezos' more fluid DPoS framework, clients can delegate tokens to pastry specialists without moving possession. Prizes for approving blocks are disseminated to pastry specialists as new XTZ tokens, with a corresponding measure of the award circulated to wallets that have designated tokens to the bread cook. This empowers more modest symbolic holders to partake in the approval process in the event that they hold not exactly the necessary add-up to turn into a full bread cook. Our XTZ token value expectation for 2022. It is very evident that digital currency value expectations ought to be thought about while taking other factors into consideration. Yet there are elements to pay special attention to that will more likely than not have a course on the future cost of the more extensive cryptographic money market. This incorporates the level and nature of guidelines forced in overwhelming digital money markets, the level of digital money reception in the approaching year and past, the level of development in the digital money fates market, the utility of token, and the capacity of the basic innovation to tackle certifiable issues. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2022-12-01 plus 4.98% $0 9948 2022 1202 plus 5.11% $0 9960 2022 1203 plus 5.15% $0 9964 2022 1204 plus 4.19% $0 9872 2022 1205 plus 3.41% $0 9799 2022 1206 plus 2.94% $0 9755 2022 1207 plus 4.44% $0 9896 2022 1208 plus 5.38% $0 9985 2022 1209 plus 0.81% $0 9553 2022 1210 plus 1.22% 95 cents. Concerning XTZ, the fame of their marking instrument and its job as a cost driver can't be sufficiently stressed. This is the significant positive cost force for Tezos as increasingly more digital currency trades branch out into marking as administration. Tezos is consistently the main coin that is presented as a marking item. Coinbase, however, Sex.io and presently Binance have all entered this area of crypto industry, and every one of them currently offer Tezos as the first marking coin on their foundation. Tezos cost expectation 2022. High expansion and very dangerous large-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will most likely see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023, 2022 deck. Plus 0.91% $0 9562 2023 Jan. 6.00% $0 8907 2023 Feb. Plus 6.65% $1.01 2023 Blemish. Plus 15.46% $1.09 2023 APRA. Plus 12.43% $1.07 2023 May. Plus 22.32% $1.16 2023 June. Plus 19.99% $1.14 2023 Joel. Plus 24.43% $1.18 2023 Aug. Plus 39.16% $1.32 2023 Sep. Plus 43.11% $1.36 2023 Aug. Plus 35.17% $1.28 2023 Na. Plus 44.00% $1.36 XTZ value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees XTZ coming to $9.10 in 2025. What will XTZ be worth in 5 years? The cost of XTZ in 5 years could lie around $2.09. Tezos value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Tezos will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Tezos coming to $22.74 in 2030. What Tezos will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Tezos coming to $45.48 in 2040. Will Tezos supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Tezos won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Tezos at any point reach $10? Indeed, Tezos could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Is Tezos worth purchasing? We are supporters of modestly unsafe financial planning. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of large cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with enormous potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, Tezos merits purchasing.